How to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. The very first thing you want to do is enable for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for a few seconds and then disable it. With that, your problem might be fixed. Next up, scroll down. Navigate to the option of iMessage. Once you find it, open it. Now make sure you have enabled for the option of iMessage. In the case you have already enabled for this option, disable it. Wait for a few minutes and then again enable it. Likewise, click on the option of send and receive. Make sure you have checked for the option of email address or the phone number. Likewise, next thing you want to do is head back, give a fresh restart to your device. Open the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset All Settings. Enter your phone's passcode over here and continue with the process. So this way you can easily fix iMessage not working on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.